Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for granola bars. They're so delicious and really easy to make, so let's get started. So in a large bowl you're going to put all the dry ingredients. So I have some oats, I have some peanuts, some coconut flakes, and some chocolate chips. I have brown sugar. I have flour and the salt. Now all the ingredients will be listed in the description box. So you just give it a quick mix. You're going to be putting in all the wet ingredients. So I have the vanilla, oil, and honey. And you're just going to give this a mix. So now that it's all mixed and it's well coated, you're going to take your baking pan lined with parchment and just pour it inside the pan. So next you're just going to take something flat or a spatula and just spread it out. So now it's ready to be baked, and I have the oven on and it's set for 325, and it's going to bake between 30 and 35 minutes or until golden. And I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. So I just took it out of the oven and I'm going to transfer this over onto a wire rack so I can cool it for about 15 minutes. So you just lift it out of the pan and put it onto the rack. And here you have it, my granola bars. So delicious, so easy. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.